Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to your midnight face yoga. Now this is face yoga to ideally not do at midnight because ideally you want to be asleep. But if you're either struggling to sleep or if you think you'd like to do this a little bit earlier than midnight, maybe 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, and then help your skin really rejuvenate overnight and wake up looking really glowing, then this is the class for you. So I'm going to lead you through it all in a minute and it's going to feel super relaxing and help your skin to look really fresh the next day. And before I do that, I want to tell you about a product which is also going to help your skin to look amazing the next day, and it is the Sleep and Glow Omnia pillow. So the Sleep and Glow Omnia pillow is one of my favorite pillows, particularly because the little cradles here and here, which really help you to side sleep without getting sleep lines. Now, sleep lines are very different from expression lines. When you sleep, your face is squished up if you're using a regular pillow. And what happens then is you wake up and your lines are etched into your skin. Yes, they may start to fade throughout the day, but in time, this is going to accumulate, meaning those lines are going to stay on your skin. So if you use something like your Sleep and Glow Omnia pillow, your face is actually getting gently cradled, so you're not squishing your face up and you're not causing those lines. Also, Sleep and Glow is now clinically proven. The brand did a study and it turns out I'm not the only one who loves this Sleep and Glow pillow. In 82% of cases, sleep wrinkles were reduced after 3 months of sleeping on the Omnia pillow, and both the length of the wrinkles and the volume of the wrinkles were reduced, and in some cases wrinkles completely disappeared. So I have been using this for years and absolutely swear by it. It's so nice to wake up with not only clear skin that hasn't been wrinkled, but also smooth hair as well, because I really find that having a silk pillowcase means that your hair stays nice and smooth as well. Okay, so let's get on with our face yoga. So getting really relaxed now. You want to sit back in a chair or you can lay in bed whilst you do this, closing your eyes, and let's focus on your breathing. Inhale through the nose and allow your abdomen to rise. Exhale through the nose, allow your abdomen to lower. Each breath you take, you're becoming more and more relaxed. You're breathing in for about a count of 4. You're breathing out for about a count of 6. As you breathe in, you're feeling a sense of relaxation. And as you breathe out, you can just let go. Breathing in, relaxing. Breathing out, letting go. Just start to let your whole body just sink into either the chair or the bed below. Your muscles are becoming more relaxed in your body and your face. And you're starting to feel a little sleepy. And then you're going to take just your index finger and bring it between your eyebrows. Breathing in, allow your abdomen to rise. Breathing out, allow your abdomen to lower. As you press this calming acupressure point, you're helping to really relax yourself for a good night's sleep. You're also helping to soften any lines in this area, so you wake up with a smooth forehead tomorrow. Keeping that breath going in and out. Then bring 2 fingers onto your temples and start to massage your temple area. Still breathing deeply, inhaling, relaxing, exhaling, letting go. And then circling the other way, inhaling and exhaling, feeling calmer and sleepier now. Good. Then just taking 2 fingers, the sides of the fingers, you're going to come up between the eyebrows, smooth out across your forehead and lift off. And just keeping that going up and then moving outwards. Light touch, softening any lines which may have been created throughout the day. So when you wake up tomorrow, you've got less of those expression lines. Of course, if you're using your Sleep and Glow pillow, you're going to have less sleep lines when you wake up tomorrow as well. We're also stimulating some really lovely acupressure points as we do this. Good. Bring your hands gently down now, and then you're just going to come in that inner point here and here, just in the inner corner of your eyes. If you've got your eyes closed with this, let me explain where it is. So it's just on the edge of your nose, in the inner corner of your eye area where there's a natural indentation. You're going to massage into that area with little circular actions, breathing in and out. Then circle in the other direction, nice and gently, breathing in and breathing out. Wonderful. Then you're just going to release through your jaw area. So you're going to take your thumbs, glide up your jaw and lift off. So you're gliding up and lifting off. Focusing here on your breath. This is releasing any tension you may have built up throughout the day. Feel your muscles in your body relax a little bit deeper now, and if you feel like you're going to fall asleep now, just turn off the video. If not, we're just doing a few minutes more. Good. And bring your arms down, and if you can, do a few gentle shoulder rolls. Even try and do this a little bit if you're lying down. Release some tension there really slowly, and circling the other way, nice and gently here. And again. Relax your shoulders down, then do some little tapping up the front of your neck here. Lift off, taking that again, light, quick taps. Just allowing any skincare that you may have used today just to sink into the skin. And just bring your hands down, focus on your breathing again. Take a deep inhalation in and a deep exhalation out. And you are all done. Hope you have a wonderful night's sleep.